Which is a pina colada. Pina colada.
What's in a pina colada?
Stuff that's in that drink there. What's in a, Lindy? What's in a pina colada?
Rum and rum.
We may as well just got a bottle of rum. That doesn't look very rummy.
Creamy stuff.
Creamy. Is it coconut cream?
Coconut milk,
Coconut.
ice cream, and pineapple. Coconut milk, ice cream, pineapple juice, Bacardi, shippy.
Shippy shippy.
Jerry.
Sailor Jerry.
Sailor Jerry.
Yay. Okay, good. There we go. Next time, I wouldn't ask me. I would ask Lindy.
Well. I always rely on you being serious, can't I? God.
Oh, boo! Look at it.
Oh, look, it's nearly full moon.
Ugh. Ow!
I thought my nails are growing a bit.
You're on film. Say something interesting. We're not interested in, Okay, that's the end. The end.